Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, where we have close to 100 classic and collectible cars on our sales floor at any given time. And I'm going to tell you about our latest acquisition in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about the second year of a very, very long run deal for Buick, a 1964 Buick Riviera. I'll tell you what, this car was ahead of itself in all its styling features, the looks, all the features that these cars came with. This car is an exceptional example right here. You can see all of our examples, which is close to 100 of them, at Ellingson Motorcars, www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where you can find all of our stuff. There'll be videos and all that stuff on all of our inventory at any one time. You can take a look. But let's get back to this 1964 Buick Riviera. Great car, great story. Same owner for over 20 years. I believe he was the third owner. Spent some of the car's time in Nebraska and Florida. So a nice thing about that fact is it's not a Minnesota car. It never experienced Minnesota winters. This fellow having it 20 years says it's never seen a snowflake since he's had the car. So that is being said, that is a good thing. I just love the car's extra features. I mean, the stuff on this car was so unique with the dual headlights that are recessed into the grille. The chrome on this car is also really nice. The paint was probably done close to 20 years ago, but has been obviously well taken care of and in a very good environment, so it's kept up extremely well. Look at those beautiful hubcaps, the wires like that with the center spinner, with the radial tires. I mean, this car has the look that goes with this beautiful silver paint, which of course was its original color, by the way. Take a look at the inside in this car. It has less than 60,000 original miles on this car. Original interior is absolutely wonderful. The seats are in great condition. These things were loaded with all the amenities back in 1964. I mean, you had power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, power windows, power seat. You had all that kind of stuff that went with these cars. It was just a very high class. This was a specialty luxury automobile in 1964. Someone owns it today. Guess what? It would also be considered a very luxurious car in our year today, as a matter of fact. You can also find all of our information on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. You know, give us a like, make us a comment, subscribe. We would love to have you learn all about all of our stuff that we have had in the past and we currently have online. As I said, the looks on this car, the lines are just very special for Buick. Buick Rivieras were around for 36 years, this being only the second year that they were actually in production. It does have dual exhaust, has a nice sound to this car. You'll see the pictures of the engine compartment and whatnot, all as it was in 1964. Original engine, air cleaner, and the lights. And this one actually was a stepped up model in that it had the 425 cubic inch engine, which was the big guy in the neighborhood. Didn't have the 2.4s, but the single 4 was more than enough power for this car to go down the road in style. So if you're looking for something that, you really have always had a hankering to, want something a little different than the average guy, come on down. We'd love to have you come and visit us in person. We are open here for the general public from Monday through Friday from 10 until 5. You can come down on Saturdays or 10 to 4. Love to have you come in. Nice heated environment in the Minnesota winter. It's not all bad to come here at any time of the year. So if you're looking for something really neat, great story, paperwork, whatever, we got it right here at Ellingson's. See you next time.